y'all, we are back with another video, and today we have a whole rack of ribs and some loaded mashed potatoes. So
that's why I'm over here stabbing.
that's our dinner.
Ribs
started falling off the bone already.
Ain't bad. Don't do this. Ooh, the bone gone. Oh man. Oh sure. I was gonna eat ribs all day. I didn't even want to eat nothing else. No, I just wait to see how devour this.
Y'all see that steaming? It's steaming.
Y'all wait till y'all see these snow crabs we got. I think we on.
I just bit the bone.
You bit the bone?
Yeah, it went straight through.
Oh, you cooked that.
Look at that. I just bit the bone.
You bit the bone, man. Oh, damn.
You bit your bone too?
Yeah, I did. I went straight through there. I don't know about that one.
You're gonna go do what I did when I didn't want to do it. I had the fatty side of the rib. Let me just hide that fat. And some butter, green onions, bacon.
That's gristle.
And these here mashed potatoes. Oh, you can't even see it.
Dang, that's too bright.
Those are really good though. I didn't bring any napkins today. I didn't see your napkins.
I ain't get none either. Look at that right there. You need that for already.
You know that runny nose. I like to sleep with a fan on, y'all.
She better make me Lysol.
I have to be very cold in my house.
For everybody to sleep.
I've always liked for my house to be cold. Yeah, this is good.
This is all the gin. I just don't like the gristle. I don't know how it goes.
It's so hot, I can't even.
Shoot. Get out of there.
I should have bought some extra barbecue sauce and poured it on top. I think the viewers would enjoy that. Ooh. We hope when y'all see this, y'all having a wonderful day.
Facts.
Look at that thing. Look.
Say fall out the bone one time. Fall out the bone.
Don't bite it, yeah.
Could y'all believe when I was young I didn't used to like ribs?
Crazy.
I know, no, I used to like them. I just hate to get my fingers dirty. Yeah, keep looking at your fingers and all that stuff, washing your hands.
I don't know what my mom do to her ribs. I love her ribs.
Dang, sorry, that was loud. I know it was.
I think everybody love their mama cooking.
My mama make apple dumplings. I'd be like, Speaking of which, I think I'm gonna have to call her.
You make something butt by party, that's no.
Is she? We crush them things. Kids, you all went crazy.
No water on the floor.
What now? I forgot about mashed potatoes too. I miss mashed potatoes because you hit me. I'm done.
They a little stiff because
They're a little stiff just because they're a little stiff. Don't worry about it.
because you had to set up and all that. You know, everything's settled when you're setting up. Excuse me.
Ooh,
What's that?
bite it. Okay, hold on, young guy. You gotta get the look. Get it, look.
That was the good part of the rib.
You take my water?
Yeah, mine's
a
on the floor.
distraction.
Mine's on the floor before we start the video. Oh. Sorry.
You try to distract me. No. I know these videos. Dang, you ain't ready to crush this rib with me? I'm ready to smash it.
Eat it.
Lay back, don't eat no more. I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Look at that. That bone right there. Right out of there. I don't know, man. Oh, no. They look a little weird. They don't look like the way I fed you. I fed you some good stuff.
It is good. It's here. It's just meat.
Yeah, you gotta break that off for me. That's gristle right there. I see the big gristle.
Where?
You better give me that big piece of gristle
I
right
sure
there.
was. I'm sorry. Look. I put that whole thing in my mouth.
The gristle?
And pull the gristle out. Yep.
I can't rock with the gristle. Sorry.
You gotta eat it. Meat around the gristle. You trap me.
No, look, see?
Oh, no.
The meat come right off the gristle.
I know, but this one.
See? Look.
Anyway. Ooh, I'm getting full.
Yo, this video only like 9 minutes.
I ain't eating all red. I'm gonna take that part right there and I'm done.
Hey. That's a whole.
That's good.
A whole rack. You ain't even eat nothing for real.
I mean, 2 racks, y'all. You wouldn't even believe I put red chili flakes in the sauce. When I tasted it, when I first put it on, I was like, "Oh, this is a little high." You don't be mad.
Can't even talk.
Then I added brown sugar.
You finesse me for the check. And I ain't even mad.
Well, we hope y'all ate with us. If you didn't, watch the video twice. The second time, get a plate, eat with us. Ooh. You still eating, baby? Oh,
Baby.
You full?
Oh, man.
You said hold on now. You little tummy. I know. You got Big heart, little tummy. They gonna swell up in your tummy. You gonna have itis. Right. What's that?
Then he said, I love when they got the itis.
Would be silly.
I'm my teeth too. That's great. Hey, I'm red, boy. I got ribs on this side and mashed potatoes on this side. Mix both together. You got rib potatoes.
Rib potatoes. Delicious. Wasn't too much talking, but we hope y'all enjoyed it. And you gonna close this out?
No, you do it tonight.
Don't forget to like,
I'll bring it to the next video.
Yeah, right.
I will. You be hating on my intros. So you don't be hating on my intros.
Make your intros on my intro.
They be hype. Yours be.
That's why you couldn't get it out now. Don't forget to like. He annoying. No, you take us out. I'm not doing it.
Woo! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Go
and we'll be back with another video. Peace.
Deuces.